Hello everybody, it's Cooper, back at it again with another at-home art room. Today I'm going to be teaching you some different drawing exercises that can help spark some creativity and give you something to do while you're stuck at home. Alright, so the first activity I'd like to show you is blind contour drawing.
This exercise is called a blind contour drawing because you don't get to look at the paper while you're drawing. It's going to end up looking a little bit goofy, but that's okay. It's just an exercise. So you're going to pick an image to draw. I picked a cat, and I'm going to draw as much details in as possible. But since you can't look at the paper, it's not always going to line up exactly. Every time you lift up your pencil, it's going to be moved into a different place. All I ask is please, please, please do not look at your paper.
Next, I'd like to show you some facial reconstruction drawings based off the work of Pablo Picasso.
Start by drawing a scribble line on your sheet of paper. From that line, you're going to go through each of the facial features. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears. You're going to do one at a time individually, and after you do a facial feature, you're going to rotate the paper, and you're going to try to find another place on that line where you can put another facial feature. You're going to keep doing that the whole way around the face. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, eyebrows, until you have all the space filled.
Alright, my next exercise is scribble drawings.
This one's similar to the facial reconstruction exercise, but you're going to start with ink first. You start by drawing an ink scribble down on your paper, and then you have to turn it into something. Now, I chose a face, but it doesn't have to be a face. If you see a chair, if you see the sky, you do that. So I chose a face, and I rotated my paper around until I found the shape that I saw. And then from there, I went and I took a pencil and I shaded everything in. I drew additional things on top of that ink base. The idea of this is just to get yourself to think differently and create an image out of the lines.
Alright, I'd like to wrap this episode up with some random color drawings.
For this exercise, you're going to need colored pencils, markers, or crayons. So you start by writing all the different colors that you have on little sheets of paper and laying out your markers. Then you're going to set a timer for 2 minutes and you're going to pick your first color. You're going to begin drawing with that color for that 2-minute period. But then after those 2 minutes are up, you're going to grab another sheet of paper with a different color on it, or the same color. You know, you can pick the same color twice. And you're going to begin drawing for 2 minutes with that color. This exercise is supposed to be random, so if it doesn't end up looking how you would like it to look in the end, that is completely fine. It is just an exercise.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. You can follow me at Cooper Smith Arts on Instagram. You can check out my website at coopersmitharts.com. And be sure to tag me in whatever you create. I'd love to see it, and I will share and like whatever I find. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or have any suggestions. I'd love to hear them. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay germ-free. Bye.